guys, welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video guys, we're gonna doing unboxing, and this unboxing is brought to you by World Remit. So we received a gift from World Remit just for today. So this unboxing is for my sister, it's not for me, so but I'm very happy. So watch out guys, here she goes.
Hi guys, I'm Isabindo. Thank you for this gift and I really love it and I can use it for my school, and now I'm gonna do the unboxing.
So we're gonna do an unboxing. So take a look guys, what is this? Oh no, it's very big. Helping my sister guys. Anyway, it's not mine, it's for my sister. I'm just helping her to open because it's very hard to open. So many tip. Oh, oh no! Ooh, ooh. Surprise! Yoo-hoo! What is this? Oh no! Woo! It's very beautiful. I think it's very nice. Pakita naman sa camera. Wow, wow, wow! It's a very good gift. It's very surprising. It's very amazing, guys. Oh no! Show it to the camera. Show it to them.
Thank you!
World Remit, thank you so much! Let's see. So, guys, it's very nice, guys. Oh, they put it in the box. Oh, look, it's a very special gift. They put it in the box. Can you stand it? Just to show for somebody. Oh, yeah. See that? Special gift from World Remit. Wow, nice
Thank
one.
you.
So, sorry guys, even though it's very nice, but we're going to open it now so that we can see what inside. Woo! I'm so excited. Yahoo! I can use it also for my vlogging. Joking, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yan. Krabok. Woo! It's open now. Wow, 1, 2, 3. Ready! Woo! Bakit ito? Yes! We just remove the tie, the ribbon. Okay, I will just show it to you that it's very legit that it came from World Remit because look at this. Look at this guys. It came from World Remit. It's very legit. Look. Even though it's not mine, but I'm very happy.
Ta-da! Thank you, World Remit, for this gift, and I really love it. And thank you so much.
Oh, it's a brand from World Remit. Oh, it's a World Remit tablet. Very good, very nice. Wow, it's a pretty amazing, guys. So we'll try to. Can you try to open it? Just to turn it on. Oh no, we're struggling, guys. Where is the button for turning on? So, guys, that's all. So, we're going to charge it first. So, thank you so much, and that's all for today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. And thank you so much. Bye-bye. World Remit, thank you.
Thank you.
Yahoo!